Hey everybody, this is Satyavani. I'm coming at you here from Zen Spot, and this is my beautiful friend Michelle and my beautiful friend Libby.
Hello.
And we are here to tell you that we are going to be offering a Yin class, lunchtime, beginning May 8th, and it's a Wednesday. And these two fabulous ladies are going to be leading the class, and they are here to tell you why you need to come. So Ms. Libby, can you please tell us a little bit about Yin Yoga?
Yes. So Yin is a more passive approach to yoga, more meditative. You work the internal part of the body, so there's a lot of benefits to Yin. Increasing flexibility, increasing mobility, and finding some calmness in the mind and body. So that's a little bit about Yin. We'll kind of give you a little bit more. Michelle will kind of tell you more.
Michelle's going to tell us what to expect.
Yeah, so what you can expect is in a Yin practice, you will hold postures longer, so anywhere from 5 and sometimes 10 minutes.
Ooh, long time.
Yeah, long time. And so what that means is most of the postures are grounding postures, and you're not going to be holding downward dog or
Thank goodness.
warrior one or all of these postures for 5 to 10 minutes. So it allows you to get deep into the fascia and other areas of the body to really open up blood flow and allow the mind to deepen with the practice as well. So really find that anchor and foundation.
Awesome.
And we hope that you come.
Oh my God,
Yes.
come, please
Yes.
come to this class. And it's for everybody. If you have never done yoga before, if you are an athlete and feel like you need some extra stretch and more balance, because guess what? We all can use it.
Yes.
If you want stress reduction, if you want better digestion, if you just want to be around beautiful, amazing yogis, come to this class. May 8th it starts. Check us out, www.zenspotmbs.com. Go to the classes tab and find us. Talk to you soon.
6 weeks, right?
6 weeks.
6 weeks.
6 week
Yes.
series.
6 week series.
Michelle and I will be
Bite off,
alternating.
and then